So I'm going to fit this Coax plug to this Coax cable. And it's going to be quite straightforward. I'm not going to use any tools. I'm just going to use my fingers and thumb. So first thing I'm going to do is a mark off, which I have, for the insulation. I need to remove the outer insulation. Now I'm using it there, carefully prising or cutting using my finger and my nail, just to take the outer layer off. Now when I think I've got enough off, I will simply push back the braid, push it right back, and then take the screed off. Now the screed there is what I'm twisting. That needs to come off, and you can wrap that around the braid itself. If it can't come off, just wrap it round. It's not important to have that. So after you've done that, you then need to mark off roughly where you're going to cut the second part of the insulation to show the inner core. Now I'll cut it about there with my fingernail, and I'm taking apart the Coax plug, just measuring roughly where I'm going to start to cut or twist the inner insulation. So I think I'll mark it about there. That seems to be the correct place. I'm now going to, again, use my nail to cut into it, just so I can then twist it off. Now this might take some time. Be patient. I've speeded it up here so that it makes it easy for you to watch. But keep on spinning it round until it breaks away. And if you can subscribe, that'd be great. Thank you. So twisting it around, eventually it will be attached to the other part of the Coax cable, and there it is. Now it's a copper inner core. It doesn't have to be, but this particular cable is. So now you just put the outer screw section on, and then you need to put the clamp on. So wrap the braid around, put the clamp on, and try to keep most of the, if not all of the braid underneath. Just makes it look a little bit tidier. This of course is really just a temporary or an emergency repair. So it doesn't really matter what it looks like at this moment. It's purely to help you get past a particular problem. Now when you've done that, now screw it up tight. The clamp will grip the cable and it will be secured, and that's it. Now it is sticking out a little bit, but don't worry too much about that. It's not that much. Again, it is an emergency repair. So thank you for watching, and if you like my channel, then please share, like and subscribe.